Tired of juggling personal and business calls on your mobile? Ever wonder if there's a better way to manage client communications without committing to a massive, expensive enterprise solution? If you're a freelancer, a solopreneur, or run a small business, you've probably looked into unified communication platforms, and RingCentral has likely popped up on your radar. But then the big question hits: how much is RingCentral for just one person? It's a fair question, and one that often gets surprisingly complex answers in the world of business communication. You see, many of these powerful platforms are designed with larger teams in mind, and their pricing structures can sometimes feel like they're speaking a different language if you're only looking for a single user solution. You might see per user, per month, and think, great, I'll just multiply that by 1. But it's rarely that simple. There can be minimum user requirements, hidden add-on costs, or plans that are simply overkill for what a solo professional needs. The truth is, RingCentral, while an incredibly robust and feature-rich platform, isn't always the most straightforward or budget-friendly option for a true one-person show. They excel at providing comprehensive communication solutions for growing businesses, with plans that scale up to hundreds of users. Their core offerings, known as RingEX plans, are designed to integrate messaging, video, and phone services seamlessly. This makes them fantastic for collaborative teams who need features like advanced call routing, CRM integrations, and sophisticated analytics. Let's break down RingCentral's main RingEX plans as of mid-2025, keeping in mind that prices are generally lower when billed annually compared to month-to-month. First, there's the core plan. This is RingCentral's entry-level offering. If you pay annually, it comes in at approximately $20 per user per month. If you prefer to pay monthly, that jumps up to around $30 per user per month. For this price, a single user would get unlimited domestic calling within the US and Canada, a business or toll-free number, basic SMS messaging, typically around 25 messages per user per month, team messaging, and basic call management features. It also includes video meetings for up to 100 participants, which is a pretty generous allowance even for one person who might be hosting webinars or client calls. This plan provides the fundamentals for a solo professional who needs a dedicated business line with messaging and video capabilities. Next up is the advanced plan. Billed annually, this plan is about $25 per user per month, increasing to around $35 per user per month for monthly billing. For a single user, the advanced plan builds upon the core features by adding things like unlimited internet faxing, audio conferencing, and crucial integrations with popular apps like Google Workspace and Microsoft 365. A significant upgrade here is the inclusion of on-demand call recording and more advanced call handling options. If your solo operation involves a lot of client interactions where recording calls for training or record keeping is important, or if you need to integrate with your existing productivity suite, the advanced plan starts to look more appealing. It also boosts the SMS allowance to about 100 messages per user per month. Finally, at the top tier of the standard RingEX plans, we have the Ultra plan. This one goes for approximately $35 per user per month when billed annually, or around $45 per user per month for monthly billing. The Ultra plan is where RingCentral truly showcases its enterprise-grade capabilities. For a single user, it offers everything in the advanced plan, plus unlimited storage for messages, recordings, and files, increased video meeting participant limits, up to 200, and comprehensive advanced analytics. If you're a solopreneur running a high-volume consultancy or a specialized service that requires extensive record-keeping and deep insights into your communications, the Ultra plan provides the ultimate toolkit. It also bumps up the SMS limit to about 200 messages per user per month and significantly increases pooled toll-free minutes. It's also important to be aware of potential add-ons. RingCentral offers various specialized features that might incur additional costs. For example, specific integrations, high-volume SMS, additional vanity or international numbers, or dedicated solutions like RingCentral Rooms for physical conference spaces, RingCentral Webinar, or RingSense for sales, their AI-powered conversational intelligence, are typically priced separately. While a single user might not need a room license, understanding that these specialized features exist and come with their own price tags is crucial for a complete picture. For instance, RingSense for sales, their AI platform, can be around $60 per user per month. So, If you're a solo sales consultant hoping to leverage AI insights, that's an additional cost to factor in. So, for a single person, RingCentral can be used. The core plan, starting around $20 per month with annual billing, provides a solid foundation. However, whether it's cost-effective for one person is highly subjective and depends entirely on your specific needs. For example, if you primarily need a professional phone number, basic voicemail, and simple call forwarding, RingCentral might offer more features than you truly need at its entry-level price point. There are alternatives out there specifically tailored for solopreneurs and very small businesses, such as Grasshopper or OpenPhone, which often start at lower price points and offer a more streamlined feature set focused on essential business phone functionalities like dedicated numbers, virtual receptionists, and SMS. Google Voice for Google Workspace users is another example, with plans starting around $10 per user per month. On the other hand, if you're a single professional who regularly hosts video meetings with many participants, needs robust call recording and analytics, relies heavily on CRM integrations, or requires advanced features like multi-level IVR for a sophisticated solo operation, then RingCentral's higher-tier plans, even for one user, could justify the investment. Their unified platform means you're not patching together different services for phone, video, and messaging, which can save you time and administrative headaches in the long run. Ultimately, to truly answer how much is RingCentral for one person, effectively, you need to conduct a mini audit of your own communication requirements. What are your absolute must-have features? Do you need a dedicated business number? Unlimited calling? Voicemail to text? How important are video meetings? How many participants do you typically host and for how long? Do you need integrations with other software? Which ones? Is call recording essential? What's your budget? Are you looking for the absolute cheapest option? Or are you willing to invest for a more comprehensive and professional solution? With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.